my god. I need to take my thumbnail pic. Cat, can you move please? Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel, you guys don't know me, this is me. So Easter is coming up and I'm super excited. I do this video every year since I've started YouTube. And I love doing this video. It's a what's in my Easter basket, and every year I try to vary it a little bit, but for the most part I try to use Dollar Tree products just because I'm trying to save money as well. I have kids' birthdays all over the place and we just left Christmas, and so still trying to recover financially. I don't want to spend a ton of money on things that we don't really need, and you know, just to fill the basket, if you know what I'm saying. So I do have some of those things, but for the most part I really try to get items that I know that they're gonna want to play with or they're gonna want to use. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what I got. So one of the first items I got were these plastic eggs, and these are glitter eggs in a pack of 10. And they're just, I really like their colors. They're just really pretty. My daughters love anything that's glittery, so they'll definitely like these. I just plan to put like little treats or candies inside of each one, and then put a couple in each one of their baskets. So if you guys don't know already, I have a 10-year-old and a 4-year-old. She's almost 5 next month. Just so you guys kind of know the age groups for my kiddos. So I got the grass from the Dollar Tree. I just got a plain old pink one and a purple one. And then the next thing that I picked up were these Hatchimal gummies. These were at Dollar Tree. I'm going to try to keep these first items from the Dollar Tree so you guys can kind of see what they got. But I picked up these Hatchimals from the Dollar Tree, and my daughters already tried one and they said they were really yummy. They are just gummies, and I don't know what makes them so special. I think because they're Hatchimals brands, but they really like these, so I went ahead and got them one each. And they've also recently been loving the Peeps as well, so I got one of those, one in pink and one in purple, and these are just so cute. If you guys, you know, I've never really tried a Peep, but I probably will from my kids' Easter baskets because I've never really tried one. So the next thing I got were these cups. I got one in pink and one in green, and they just have the matching straw that goes with it. And so I always have 2 cups filled with water at any point in time. If you guys watched any of my like cleaning videos, you'll see them in the background. And I just do that so my kiddos have access to water at any point in time, and basically they don't have to bug me for water or anything because it's already there. Okay, and the next couple of items I got were some of their kites. I've used their kites before and they do last. I mean, for $1 you're only going to get so much out of it, and we don't really fly kites, like it's not like a tradition or anything. So I mean, I don't spend a lot of money on them, so for $1 I thought that was worth it. This one is a really cute little watermelon, and this is for my 4-year-old, and this is for my 10-year-old. This is just like a rainbow color, so I thought those were a good deal. I always try to get kites for Easter for their baskets, just because it's kind of something fun to do. Okay, and these next items have to be one of my definite favorites. If you guys are 80s 90s babies, you guys know what these are. These are, I got 2 of them, and I had to hunt at the Dollar Tree like crazy for these. I went to several before I found it, and I grabbed the last 2. So these are just a mini version of the Light Brights, and they work. And so I was really surprised and excited to try these, and yeah, they work. I'll actually put a clip in showing them because I was very surprised. I saw another YouTuber purchase these and they actually came on, and so I was so excited when I saw them. My kids actually have the big version of it, but I thought that they would love to have the little one as well. Okay, so the next thing I got was for my 4-year-old. I got this chalk, and it's just in the shape of eggs, and my daughters love chalk, so this is definitely worth it at the Dollar Tree. It lasts a long time. And my 4-year-old also picked this out. Her older sister is in soccer, and I guess she wanted a soccer ball to represent her older sister playing, so I went ahead and got her this little cute soccer ball. It's just a foam soccer ball is all. And for my 10-year-old, I try to get them the same item so I don't hear any fighting, but my 10-year-old's starting to get older and wanting different things, so now I'm kind of moving a little bit along the lines of trying to get things that only she would like versus my 4-year-old. They're not quite liking the same exact things anymore. For example, bunny ears. I also got those for my 4-year-old at the Dollar Tree. I also picked these up at the Dollar Tree, and I mean, it's $1. It's just bunny ears. My 10-year-old didn't care for them, but my 4-year-old definitely wanted them. Okay, and then so for my 10-year-old, I picked up this 50-piece Nickelodeon JoJo Seaboy, I think is how you say her name. And if you guys don't know her, she's just really popular on YouTube. She has her own channel, but my daughter's in love with her. So my 10-year-old loves anything like slime related, so I picked up this Flarp, and she loves like making fart noises with it. And then she also got some silly strings, so I just went ahead and picked those up. I think I forgot to show you the Easter baskets, but this is what they look like. I went to 1,000 Dollar Trees to find it, but if you guys haven't already seen these are so cute, and they just have the little gingham print on the inside as well as the lining and the ears, and these are just adorable. I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. I really wanted like a pink and a blue one, but of course they were out, and I just went ahead and picked up whatever they had, so I picked those up. So if you guys wanted to stop there, technically everything is from the Dollar Tree, so they got a pretty much good size basket full of Dollar Tree items that I felt like they would use. And so the next couple of things I'm going to show you are from Target and Amazon, I think is where I got the last item from. Okay, so I picked up 2 of these. This one, these are paint your own wooden ornaments from Target. They're only $1. This one is a little fairy, and this one is a rainbow. And I really love these because they come with their own paint and paintbrush, and you can't go wrong with that for $1, and you got everything all in one. Okay, so the next item I got were sunglasses. So I picked both of these up from Target. My 4-year-old's glasses only cost $1, and they're super cute. I picked them up. You could technically have picked these up from Dollar Tree, except I liked Target's a little bit better. Like, for example, if you see, they've got like this little glittery design to it, this little shimmer, and I just thought those were really cute, and those were $1. These were $3, and they have also a glitter to them as well, and almost like a rainbow glow on the lens, and these were $3. These are for my 10-year-old. Okay, and the last items that I picked up were these, it says Podoko Kids, but these are squishies. This is what the packaging looks like, but basically they are squishies. I think I got 20 in here, and I already took out the one that I wanted, and these are what's left. And they just have all kinds here, and I just left them in their packages, but they all come pretty much for the most part with this like keychain attached to it. And yeah, it's not super good quality. It'll probably fall out, but my kids don't care. They love squishies, and now I do too, apparently. So there's that one. There's a panda. There is a watermelon. I don't know, a cookie. Here's a donut. Oh, here's like a cracker, or actually it looks like a s'mores. That looks like a sandal. There's just a ton of squishies in here, and of course this one is probably my favorite. And if you guys don't know, I recently ordered me some more of something similar to this because it's a bread. I don't know why I have this weird fetish to squish bread, but isn't that super cool? So anyways, that is all their squishies, and I'm just going to pretty much split them up between the two. And I think for a pack of 20, I think I paid $12. And you guys can order these online at Amazon, and I have Prime shipping, so it took 2 days to get to me. So that is it for my what's in my kids Easter basket video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys get some ideas from it, and definitely if you are able to find, don't forget to pick these up. These are the mini light brights. Out of everything here, these are the best deal at the Dollar Tree right now, if you guys can get your hands on them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what was your favorite item here, if it was definitely the light brights or if it was the squishy foam balls. Let me know. And then let me know what you got your kiddos for their Easter baskets. Like, what is the one thing that you get your kids every year? I usually get my kids like a pair of sunglasses and the Easter ears, but now my 10-year-old is getting too big, so let me know if you guys have any suggestions what I can get her going forward every year as like a tradition. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.